Mr. Mahir, we're going to unclog our drain using science. For this, you will need 1 cup of baking soda, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1 cup of hot water, and boiling water. First, we're going to pour hot water down the drain. Make sure to get all of it in. First, we pour down the baking soda. Make sure to get it in. It's really hard. Okay, now it's just gonna clog. Okay. Next, we put in the apple cider vinegar. Like we're doing the scientific thing. And last, we're going to put in the water. Now we let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. So the final thing we have to do is take a hot thing of water, pour it down the drain so you can get all the chemical out, so it's not clogged anymore. Okay. All right. The chemical reaction of the baking soda, apple cider vinegar, and the hot water, it cleared out your drain so you don't have like any hair or any of that stuff in the drain anymore that's been clogging it up. Thank you.